If you want to make $10, $12, or even $13 every 1 or 2 minutes while you sleep, then you're in the right place. All you need is to set up this Make Money Online system once. You can start for free and scale up as you go. You don't need any special skills for this. Your main tasks will be to copy and paste text on a white background. Not only am I going to show you how to set up everything in less than 10 minutes, but I'll also show you how to copy and paste this method to double and triple your earnings. You will get paid via PayPal, Payoneer, or Google Pay. So, let's not waste any time and dive into the world of Make Money Online. So the first thing to do is to go to Kiddle. Click the link in the description and you will land on this page. Kiddle is an online design tool that allows you to create professional designs with ease. Perfect for print-on-demand products like t-shirts and posters. I've covered how to create an account and use it in my previous videos, so make sure to check them out. Now all you have to do is go right here and click on New Project. It will open a new window. Right here you should put in the dimensions, change the unit to inches, then type in 11 for the width and 14 for the height. For the DPI, type in 300 and then click Create at the bottom right. Finally, click on Fit to Artboard to get started. They've added a new feature, generate editable designs from a simple text prompt. That looks like a handy feature. However, our focus today is on the business model and how to get sales, so we'll just create some text and basic designs. Follow along with me. Now head over to ChatGPT and ask it for 10 productivity quotes. I'll tell it, give me 10 copyright-free quotes about productivity. ChatGPT will start giving you some awesome quotes about productivity that you can use in this Make Money Online passive income method that can make you $8 to $10 every minute while you sleep. So make sure you follow all the steps to make it work. And I'll also show you how to double and triple your revenue to make even more money. Once you have the quotes, just copy them. I'll start with the first one, select it like this, and then copy it. Next, go back to Kiddle, go to the text tool on the left side, and add a text box by clicking on Headline. Then what you need to do is to double-click on the headline text and then replace it with the quote that we copied from ChatGPT. You can change the text properties from here. For example, I can adjust its size like this, or you can just click and hold the text box to change its size and position. I'll edit the text and keep the quote. From the Properties panel, you can make it all caps by clicking here, and then from here you can change the font. I'll go with this one since I like it. To center the text, you can do so by clicking here and here. And that's it! We've already finished our first design. You can create as many designs as you like. You can do that by duplicating your design. To do that, just click on the artboard, and from there, click Duplicate. Just like that, you have another copy of your design that you can modify. Here's another trick. If you want more variations of the quote or want to avoid using a quote that someone else might be using, double-click on the text, select it all, and copy it. Then, while it's selected, click on the magic star icon, and from the pop-up, select Generate Text. Paste the quote here. For the tone, select Inspiring, and then click Generate Text. Kiddle's text generator will give you 3 suggestions based on the original quote. Select the one you like and click Replace. Now you have a second design. If a word or text element seems a bit off, you can create individual text boxes for each word or line. For example, I noticed tomorrow was a bit off in the previous design, and I have 6 words, so I'll create 6 headlines to replace them and adjust as needed. You can then select all of them by holding the Shift key so you can edit them all at once. Now I'll copy the texts one by one and replace them accordingly. You can just edit them as you like. If you're unfamiliar with Kiddle, check out my previous video. After completing the creation of the other quotes, you can download them all by clicking right here. Make sure they're in PNG format, and then click Download. They will be downloaded as a zip file on your hard drive. Now, you need to head over to Printify. Printify is an online platform that allows you to design and sell custom products like mugs and t-shirts. I've covered this in a couple of my previous videos, so make sure to check the description. Signing up is free and easy. All you need is an email and a password. After logging in, go to the left side and click on the catalog. From here, choose Posters. I recommend selecting the one labeled Bestseller. You can preview how your poster will look. Scroll down and click on Start Designing. Now navigate to the first design you downloaded from Kiddle and upload it by simply dragging and dropping it. Then click on Select Variants. Choose the variant that matches your design. For example, since we created an 11x14 poster, select that size. Back. From here, you can adjust the size of your design according to the poster size. Next, you can click on Preview to see how your design will look when printed. Once you're satisfied, click Save Product. Now, we've created the design using Kittl and set up our account with Printify, which will handle the creation and shipping of the poster. What's left now is to set up a store to display our posters and promote them and get sales. For the store, you can use platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, Shopify, or even eBay. Printify integrates with all these platforms, so when you list your products and a customer makes a purchase, Printify handles the rest. You won't have to lift a finger, and that's how you make money on Autopilot. For example, you can set up a store on Etsy and easily connect it to Printify. I explained how to do that in my previous video, so be sure to check the link in the description. Those are simple yet effective designs. You can use this method to create posters that can generate significant sales. For instance, this store has made over 19,000 sales and generated over $188,000 just by selling wall art quotes priced at around $9 for bundles or $4 for a single design, and you've already seen how easy it is to create these designs. You can also use the same designs to sell mugs or even t-shirts. For example, this store made over 34,000 sales, if we assume they're selling their items at $10 on average, would have generated around $300,000 in revenue. That's how you can double and triple your earnings. However, a pro tip is to create a store focused on either wall art, mugs, or both, but not more than that. This focus will help you build a strong brand and attract customers more effectively. Now, to list your design on the store you've chosen, we need mockups. To create mockups, head back to Kittl and click on Mockups. From here, you can adjust the mockup to your liking. Use the search box to find the right mockup by typing in wall art. Once you find something you like, click on it. Adjust your design and download it. Make sure your mockup reflects your product on Printify by showing the right size and catalog. For example, if you choose a canvas on Printify, your mockup should represent that. Once you've downloaded the mockup, you can upload it to your store. Now that we have everything set up, the product, the store, and the provider, the next step is to promote your product. Of course, you can rely on Etsy's traffic, but that may take a while to get your first sale. My trick is to create an Instagram or Pinterest account. You can post your mockups there, and you can also create high-converting ads to boost your visibility. You can use Kittl to create those ads to make your promotional strategy more effective. So, from the template section, search for ads. I'm going with Instagram ads, so click on that, scroll down and choose the template you like. I like this one, so I'll click on it, and it will open up. From here, you can choose any post and edit it as you like. For example, I'll choose this Instagram post. I'll replace this image, then locate it from the Layers panel, go to my hard drive, and upload the mockup I created earlier. To edit the design, you just use the Layers panel to select the element you need. For example, if I want to change this shape, I'll just select it from the Layers panel. In my case, I simply replaced the image and edited the text to match my design, and this is what I ended up with. The final step is to add the link to your store in your bio and the description of your posts. This will help you start getting organic traffic, which will lead to sales and making money on Autopilot. All you need to do is set up the system once. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more tips and tricks like this. And see you in the next video.